A king and queen had a beautiful baby. All the fairies in the land were invited to the christening of the little princess, all except one who was wicked. At the christening, the fairies gave the baby princess gifts of beauty, kindness, courage, and cleverness. The ceremony had just finished when the wicked fairy flew in at the door. "I will teach you to leave me out," she hissed as she darted towards the cradle. "My gift to you, little princess, is that you will break your finger on the spindle and die." She flew away, her shrieks of laughter echoing through the palace. The king and queen were terrified, but the good fairies, although unable to stop the spell, promised that the princess would not die when she pricked her finger, but would fall asleep for 100 years. On her 15th birthday, the princess played hide and seek. Looking for someone, she went into a turret where she had never been and saw an old woman spinning. "What are you doing?" asked the princess. "Spinning, Your Highness," replied the old woman. May I try?" said the princess. The old lady gave her the spindle. Immediately, the princess pricked her finger and fell into a deep sleep. The king laid her on her embroidered bed. The spell was very strong, and soon the whole palace fell asleep. A thick hedge of thorns grew around and hid it. As years passed, no one could even remember where the palace had been. 100 years later, a princess was hunting in the forest. When he saw the towers of the palace above the trees, he rode towards them, but his way was barred by a thick thorn hedge. He cut a path through and found a huge doorway. Opening it, he entered the enchanted palace. Ignoring the sleeping figures all around him, he searched every room. Finally, he opened a door and found the Sleeping Beauty. The prince kissed her and broke the spell. She woke, and so did the whole palace. The prince married the princess, and they lived happily ever after.